So, first assignment, interview with the coach.
Yeah.
You ready for it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I don't know if he's ready.
Oh. Any idea what you're gonna ask?
I have some basic questions and some maybe interesting. You don't have to be worried, no, coach, yeah.
There's the camera.
Ah,
There's your camera.
okay.
You know that Tibor Halilovic is your best player.
Why did you take your best player out in 80 minutes? We can start?
Yeah.
Yes, today we are with the head coach of the SC Heerenveen. In front of us is international break. What do you want to accomplish in this break to come back even better against Willens Way?
So for us it's important that we play on the first day match. But also a lot of fun on the...
Sorry, I have to interrupt you. Yeah, well, it's you have to put the microphone a little bit higher.
But is it not like better that you don't see the microphone?
No, in this case...
Aha, because of that. Aha, okay.
Can we do it over?
You can go step a little bit back.
Okay.
Today we are with the head coach of SC Heerenveen. Okay, thank you coach and good luck.
Are you happy?
Yeah, we're gonna discuss after.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We're gonna analyze this interview.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because we said, yeah, the points are the most important thing. I'm really happy with that answer.
It's always you play for the points.
Yeah, but it's a little bit cliche. We all know that's true.
Yeah. So what you expect to say? He must say that.
Maybe
Okay, I will now. Yeah, this is off the record. So I will,
it's off the record. Sorry. Yeah.
Yeah, but I said also that we
I defend
keep
you.
the standing in defense good. We
Yeah.
have to do it in attack better.
Of course.
Yeah.
So you are happy with the interview?
No. But I heard what he said with the points, but I tell more than only the points.
I made the question, so I'm happy with.
But you're the boss.
But the most. Wait, one more question. Wait.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I think.
Oh, no.
Yeah,
Okay.
Yeah. Come on. Why did you take Tibor in 80 minutes in the last game?
Yeah. A little piece. Tibor played very bad, and that's why I take him off. No, I think Tibor was in the end of the match. How I watched it, I think he was tired. He lost too quick the ball in that moment.
No, I disagree. Which ball? You can see the which ball?
Which?
Which ball? Yeah.
You come to me?
Yeah, we will watch after.
Yeah,
Okay.
I should.
Did you really wanted to become a sports journalist before you became a football player?
Yeah, I started when I was 18. I started to go to college because I go to school 1 year early, so I was still in the under 19. So yeah, I didn't know what to expect, of course, from the football. I hoped that I will become the football player. And yeah, I was good at school, and it was normal choice for me to try the college. And yeah, I had some options like journalism or political science or economics, and I get in all of three, and I could decide which I want. And yeah, I wanted the journalism.
So welcome at Omroep Friesland.
Hi.
You will want a tour?
Of course. Goedemiddag.
So he's the host.
Hi. Hi. So the main focus in Friesland area.
Yes.
Okay.
We do everything in Frisian language.
Oh, I didn't know.
Yeah,
because logically is because if you do about Friesland, then it's Hi, goedemiddag.
Marcel.
Hi.
Hey, welcome here.
Hi.
So you want to be a director also?
No, I don't want to take your job. I just want to watch. I can.
We're going to start.
What comes first? And,
yes, what comes first, what's coming next.
Okay.
It's almost ready. Red, it's not ready. I have to
Talk about it. Yeah, I understand.
I can do it once and then you do
Yeah, I can see. Yeah, okay. Better. Yeah, okay.
Attentie, Pro A, 3, 2, 1, start. Attentie, Afke, voor de audio.
Did you remember everything, Tibor?
Oh no, it's a little bit too fast, but okay.
En dan komt Tibor.
No, I don't. But
Of course.
I know only when I need to count, and that's it. But when do I say when we start?
You start with Pro A. Server A.
And I click something or nothing? I don't.
No, you only have to talk.
I'm the director. Okay, yeah, I'm the director. Afka,
yes.
We're gonna start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Attentie Pro Server B.
Iemand is verdronken en uiteindelijk is
No. Attentie server B. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Attentie camera toe. En...
No, I didn't.
Goeie.
Ah! Aha.
Don't have to do with timing.
Ah, okay.
Attentie Pro A.
Attentie Pro A. No.
Sportclub Jereveen speelt momenteel
Hello, we are at
Willem
the training ground
II.
of SC Herenveen.
We schakelen live
international
naar
break.
Sportpark.
Fan watcher. Nog één keer dan?
Ja, zeker. Want daar staat verslagjouwer Tibor Halilovic. Ja, Tibor, hoe staat Jereveen ervoor?
Hello, we are at the training ground of SC Herenveen. International break is behind us. Like the coach said, every player is available, so they are hoping to
How are you doing,
get
Tibor?
the maximum of the team. He's a little stubborn. He's not not prepared the text good. And the last game.
Yeah, Halilipis, Tibor play very, very, very bad, and that's why I take him off.
How was his interview?
Johnny will hear about it after.
Now we're going to the real studio.
So you're the new TV host over here? You need a microphone?
Which camera do I look? I look at wrong camera. At number 2. Ah, it's the red one. Huh?
3, 2.
Goedemiddag, this is the news in Friesland. Goed. Herenveen has won its last game against Ajax. Herenveen Ajax ended 2-1 in the Johan Cruyff Arena, with 2 goals of Tibor Halilovic. He was by far the best player of the game. It's a miracle that the national manager of Croatia didn't select him for the national squad. We are wondering, what is wrong with Zlatko Dalic? The last Croatian international who played for Croatia is Daniel Pranjic, so it's the time for Tibor Halilovic now. This was the most important news of the day. Thank you for watching Friesland Hud. Und sien. No, I was going too fast a little bit.
No, I don't think so.
No?
I thought it was quite good.
Okay.
Even the Frisian words.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, that was also one of the interesting things to do. Yeah, but now,
Yeah.
what we have, what video do we have? Drešovic pass to Tibor. No, I cannot say Tibor. Huh? I must say Halilovic. Drešovic plays ball to Halilovic. Halilovic take the ball. Still attacking. Nobody attacks him. He shoots, and it's goal. What a nice goal from Halilovic. Herenveen has the ball, good ball, and Halilovic. It's 2-0 for Herenveen. 1-2 Joy to Halilovic. Halilovic preparing for a shot, and it's deflected, and it's a goal. 1-0 for Herenveen in the start of the season. Stevanovic, 1-1. He stops. Stevanovic Halilovic, and it's a goal. 2-0. What a nice action from Herenveen. Joy Firman finds the Halilovic. Halilovic shoots, and it's a goal. 1-0 for Herenveen. It's again Halilovic against Groningen.
What do you want to talk about first? The 5 goals or the commentator?
I think from now I will stick more to the goals. But in the future, yeah, why not?